Basketball legend Tony Parker is ready to part ways with his luxury explorer yacht, the Infinity 9, and it's turning heads in the world of high-end yachts. The French NBA star, who has built a reputation both on and off the court, is set to sell his incredible $20 million yacht. But what makes the Infinity 9 such a unique and sought-after vessel, and why is Parker letting it go? The Infinity 9 is no ordinary yacht. It's an impressive 77-foot-long explorer yacht designed for long-range voyages in luxury and style. What sets this vessel apart from traditional superyachts is its rugged yet elegant design, perfect for those who want to combine the adventure of exploration with the comforts of high-end living. Built with a robust steel hull, the yacht is capable of venturing into some of the most remote and challenging waters around the world, making it ideal for the adventurous spirit, and no doubt why Parker was initially drawn to it. Inside, the Infinity 9 offers all the luxury features you would expect from a yacht of its caliber. The interior is spacious and meticulously designed, with a contemporary and minimalist approach. The yacht can accommodate up to 10 guests in 5 beautifully appointed cabins, each offering comfort and privacy. The decor features clean lines, high-end finishes, and a light, airy ambience, perfect for relaxing or entertaining while at sea. In terms of amenities, the Infinity 9 is equipped with everything you need for a luxurious lifestyle on the water. The main deck features a large lounge area, with ample seating to relax or entertain guests. There's also a fully equipped galley, perfect for preparing meals, and expansive outdoor spaces where guests can enjoy the view. The yacht's spacious sundeck offers panoramic views, with plenty of room for lounging, dining, or even sunbathing in complete comfort. One of the most striking features of the Infinity 9 is its explorer qualities. While many superyachts are designed for opulence and comfort in luxury destinations, the Infinity 9 is made for more rugged environments. It's built for durability and extended voyages, allowing its owners to explore far-flung destinations in style, whether it's the Mediterranean coast or remote islands in the Pacific. As for Tony Parker, the decision to sell the Infinity 9 likely comes down to personal reasons or a change in lifestyle. Over the years, Parker has remained active in various business ventures, and perhaps it's time to turn his attention to other projects. After all, the former San Antonio Spurs star has a wide array of interests, from basketball to business and even media production. The yacht sale opens up opportunities for someone else to own this impressive vessel and embark on their own adventures. The asking price for the Infinity 9 is $20 million, which, while steep, is a relatively modest price for a yacht of this size and sophistication. For those with a taste for exploration and luxury, the Infinity 9 represents a rare opportunity to own one of the most unique yachts on the market today. In conclusion, Tony Parker's decision to part ways with the Infinity 9 marks the end of an era for this particular yacht. Whether it's for personal reasons or a new chapter in Parker's life, the sale of this stunning explorer yacht is sure to make waves in the luxury yacht market. For yacht enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike, this is an opportunity to own a piece of maritime history.